Make a new sweet delight, Oreo Modak. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be seeing how to make Oreo Modak. But before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that every video I post will come to you as soon as I post it. So let's go! Today we have a guest, and the guest is my aunt. She is Pavitra. Hi!
Hi.
She's a teacher and a multi-talented person.
Hi everyone. Today I am here to prepare Oreo Modak along with Larisha in Just Lemon.
Modak is one of the favorite dish of Lord Ganesh and the popular dish in Maharashtra. You can easily prepare this mouth-watering dish at home, especially on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. Everyone will love this perfectly made delicious dessert. So here are the ingredients: 6 packets of Oreo, half glass of milk, Modak mold, ghee and sprinkles. Now let's separate the cream from the biscuits. Look at the cream, guys. Now we have separated the cream from the biscuits. Now let's grind the biscuits. See, the biscuits are grinded. Add little milk and mix it to make a dough. Grease your hands with ghee and make balls of the biscuit dough and cream. First, grease the Modak mold with ghee. Fill halfway with the biscuit dough. cream ball in the middle and fill it with the remaining biscuit dough. Demold the modak. Wow, it looks so pretty. Look at the shape, guys. The modaks are done. Now let's decorate it with sprinkles. Wow, it's so colorful. Now, let's taste it. It's good and it's so soft. Look at the cream inside, guys. It's so beautiful. Thank you for joining us. It was really a great time to prepare the modaks with you.
Thank you, Larisha. It was my pleasure. Dear viewers, subscribe to Just Lemon and continue to support and encourage Larisha. Thank you and bye everyone.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you and your family. Try Oreo Modaks and enhance the fun and celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that every videos I post will come to you as soon as I post it. And don't forget to check out our channel on Instagram and see you in the next video. Bye!